Welcome to Daily Tutors. So we have a mock question here from one of our Ghana SHS schools, and we want us to do it together. So the first one is under logarithm. So it's very easy, okay, guys. Very easy. If you see this question anywhere, don't skip, solve it. So let's do it together. Yeah, but given that log 10 2 is equal to a and log 10 3 is equal to b, express log 10 16 2 root 27 in terms of what? A and b. So the first thing that we have to do is what? Break down log 10 16 root of what? 27. And the first rule of logarithm, if two numbers are multiplied against each other and you want to break them down, it becomes addition. Okay, so now we have what? Log 10 of what? 16 plus what? Log 10 root of 27. So first rule of logarithm. Multiplication. So now, when you get to this side, we know what? When you get to this side, you can still simplify further. So now, we have what? Log 10, 16. 16 is the same as what? 2 exponent what? 4. And what? Log 10, what? Root of what? 3. This one is still the same as log 10, 2 exponent 4 plus. No. Since this is the law of indices, since this is a set, it can be the same as what? 3 exponent what? Half. Okay. Because root has is the same as what? And this time you have so now let's continue. So now from this side we have what? Power to the power. Anytime you have power to the power goes to the other side, and we still get the same value. Okay, so now this is what? 4 log 10 2 plus what? Log 3 over 2. Okay, now let me just simplify it further. So now, here we have what? 4 log 10 2 plus 3 over 2 log 10 3. Okay. So now, when we get to the side, we've already found our answer that we're looking for. Because it said, but what? Log 10 2 is what? A and what? Log 10 3 is what? B. So now, we have what? 4 A plus what? 3 over 2 B. So therefore, log 10 16 root of 27 in terms of A and B is 4A plus what? 3 over 2B. Guys, you see, this is very easy. So anytime you see this question, answer it, don't skip. Okay, so guys, so for the B part of this question, it's very easy. This question is word problem. So it says the sum of the third number. So the sum of the third number, the sum of a third of a number. So we don't know that number. So let's make that number with x. So now what? A third, which is what? 1 over 3 of what? A number, which is what? X. And 8 plus 8 is the same as what? It's the same as what? 18 less than what? 1/2 the number. 18 less than what? 1/2 the number. So what? 1/2. 1/2 of what? X minus 8. 18 less. Okay, so that means we less 18 of half of that number. Okay, so it's not the other way around. It's not 18 minus half x. Rather, it's what? Half x minus what? 18. Okay, so now when you get to this side, we have what? 1/3x plus what? 8, which is equal to what? Half x minus 8. So now we group like terms. We have what? 1/3x minus half x, which is equal to what? Minus 18 minus 8. So now we have what? If you subtract this, you're going to get what? Minus 1/6x. So you can do find the LCM of it to get minus 1/6x. And here's what? Minus 18 minus 8 is what? Minus what? 26. So now to find x, what? We multiply both sides by what? 6. So now we get what? Minus x. Minus 26 times 6 is what? So minus 156. So therefore, x is equal to what? 156. Now, if you compare the both sides, you realize that if you fix 156 inside the left hand side, it will be the same as the right hand side, which is what? Correct. Okay, so guys, this is very, very easy. You see all these questions, but see the answers. Very easy, right? So kindly share, kindly comment, share to a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Okay.